Good morning students, myself Chippy Saljan and I am your new science teacher. Today we will be going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 9, Simple Machines. In this chapter you will be going to learn about force, machines and their types. Our daily life is filled with lots of activities, right? We do exercising, shopping, cleaning, driving, playing, etc. All these activities involve a lot of physical work that ask us to push or pull objects or things. And this movement of push and pull applied on an object is called force. So let's see what force is. Force is any action that can move an object. It can either stop the moving object or change the direction of the moving object. Both push and pull are considered a force, and the ability to do work is considered energy. That is, in order to apply force, we need energy. Energy is always utilized whenever we apply force. So, force is any action that can move an object from resting position into motion, or it can stop a moving object to rest. Now, let's see what work is. Work is said to be done if the applied force moves an object from its original position to a different position. That is, work is done only when an object moves. Consider the two situations given here. In the first case, you can see a child pushing a wall, and in the second case, you can see a child pushing a heavy box. So, no matter how much force the child applies to the wall is not displaced. But in the second case, if the child applies the force to the box, it gets displaced. So, work is done only in the second situation. So, work is said to be done if an applied force moves an object from its original position to another position. The example is pushing a wall and pushing a box. Now, I would like to call your attention to two of these situations. In the first situation, you can see two men pushing a heavy box, and in the second situation, you can see a man pushing the heavy boxes using an instrument called trolley. Which situation do you find it easier to push the heavy box? Yes, you are right. In the second situation, the work is done easily because of the instrument called trolley. And the trolley here, since it makes the work easier, it is considered a machine. So, what is a machine? A machine is a device that is used to make work easier. So, machine is any device that can make our daily life activities easier, and it helps us to do our work easier with less effort and thus saving a lot of our time. So, machine is any instrument that can make our daily life activities easier, thus saving a lot of our energy as well as time. And these machines are basically classified into two types, the simple machines and complex machines. Let's see what they are. First, let's see what a simple machine is. A simple machine is a machine that are used in our day-to-day activities. So, simple machines are any device that we use in our day-to-day activities, and it has very few or no moving parts. So, the defining feature of a simple machine is that it has very few or no moving parts. So, simple machine is any machine that we use in our day-to-day activities with few or no moving parts. Let's consider these examples for simple machine. The first example is the hammer that we use to fix nails, the needle that we use to stitch clothes, the knife that we use to cut fruits and vegetables, and the axe that we use to cut wood. So, a simple machine is any device that we use in our day-to-day activities with few or no moving parts. The examples for simple machines include hammer, needle, knife and axe. Now, let's see the types for simple machines. Basically, there are 6 types of simple machines, and they include inclined plane, screw, wedge, wheel and axle, pulley and lever. You will study them in detail in the coming classes. Now, let's see what a complex machine is. A complex machine is made up of 2 or more simple machines, and the 2 or more simple machines here are working together in order to form a complex machine. So, a complex machine is a machine that helps us to do our activities easily by combining 2 or more simple machines together. The examples include mobile phone, bicycles used for exercising, and the clock that we use for time. Now, please take page number 114. The 2 statements are given and you have to state true or false. The first statement is, work is done whenever force is applied And the second statement is all machines are complex. Let's answer them. The first statement, work is done whenever force is applied. The answer is no, because displacement is needed for work to be done. And the second statement, all machines are complex. The answer is no, because there are two types of machines, simple machines and complex machines. So today we learned about force and types of machines. Force is any action that can move an object or bring a moving object to a resting position. And we learned about machines. Machines are any device that can be used in our day-to-day activities. Then we learned about machines. Machines are any device that can be used in our day-to-day activities to lessen our effort and save a lot of our time. And then we learned about the types of machines. There are simple machines and complex machines. You have to go through the chapter after this and learn the thought portion. That's all for today. Thank you.